Welcome everyone. Today I am in downtown Upland, California, and fun little fact, this is my hometown. Yep, I was born here, raised here, spent a good 18 years of my life here. So yeah, we're gonna go check out the downtown area. It looks gorgeous at night here. This is awesome. Now it's a little late, it's like 7:30, so most of the shops here are closed by now, except for some of the bars and stuff in town here. But as you can see, there's still quite a few people out here. And yeah, I remember this barbershop. This is the barbershop that me and my grandpa would always come to when I was a little kid. Yeah, we come right here and get our haircuts. Oh man, still in business all these years later. Wow. I love the lights they've got up on the trees. That's really cool. Yeah, downtown is looking great. Does look like there's some empty storefronts here. That's really cool. Look at art. Oh man. Dang. Just check that out. That is awesome. Walking down one of the side streets here, a record store. Man, see, none of this stuff was here when I lived here. Penny Lane Records. That's cool. Oh, look at that little Lock the Loaf thing. That's pretty cool. Man, this is awesome. Nice restaurant here. Dang. Dang, look, we even got like an arcade here. Air hockey. What? Dang. Oh, got a train coming. Metrolink. Yep. Nice. Stopping right up here at the station. Yeah, this used to be the old train depot. You can still catch the train right over there, right on the other side of it. I gotta tell you, I am really impressed with how downtown Upland looks. Ooh. Good to see my hometown doing good. I mean, I don't know about the rest of Upland, how they're doing. I don't want to comment about that, but downtown, looking awesome. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, just so you know, it is a Wednesday night. So yeah, it is going down here. Jeez. Alright, we'll take a walk down this way. Love the brick buildings. Bicycle shop. Look at that marquee up there though. That's awesome. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little walking tour of Upland, California, my hometown. And I mean, Upland has a lot of interesting history. You know, it used to be known as North Ontario, and the railroad came here in 1887. And then the term Upland was first used back as the Upland Citrus Association. And then by 1902, I believe it said, the Upland was the name that was more commonly used for this area now. And then by 1906, Upland was actually incorporated. So 121 years old now. I mean, that's awesome. Oh man, a skate shop here too? Dang. That's cool. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This little walking tour of Upland, downtown Upland, California. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again very soon. Man, JD Allison's bar, dude, they have been here forever. That's cool.